Hello, welcome to Tech to Learn, where you learn coding and more. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about the arithmetic operators in C++ with examples. Without delay, let's roll the intro. Now, open your favorite code editor. Now, we are on our code editor. Here, we will learn briefly about arithmetic operators. There are mainly 5 arithmetic operators in C++. First one is addition, second one is subtraction, third one is multiplication, fourth one is division, and fifth one is modulo division. We will see one by one in this example. First, we need to declare some type of variables which can store the integer type of data. So we need to take int data type and we need to name the values. Let's take the variable name as a. I am assigning value 10 to it, and I am taking another variable, named it as b, and I took value like 4. Now we will perform basic arithmetic operators in these two integer variables a and b. Like plus operator is used to add two numbers. Here we added a variable named it as a and b. When we run this program, we can get like a plus b equal to 14 because we used plus sign to add a and b variable like 10 and 4. Then we got 14. Next, here we used minus symbol to subtract b from a. When we run the program, it will show a minus b equal to 6 because a equal to 10, b equal to 4. 10 minus 4 equal to 6. Now we will see the multiplication operator. Here we use star operator to multiply two numbers. When we run the program, we can see that a into b equal to 40. That means a equal to 10 multiplied by b. b means 4. Then 10 into 4 equal to 40. Now we are going to see the division between two numbers like a divided by b. The division operator give the coefficient. When we run the program, we can see a divided by b equal to 2 because 10 divided by 4 will leads the coefficient of 2. And last one is modulo operator. Modulo operator is defined using percentage symbol. When we use modulo operator, the modulo operator will give the remainder. When we run the program, we can see it give a divided by b equal to 2. For getting a clear idea, I will change the values of a and b. Let me take a value as 20 and b value as 2. When we run the program completely, it will shows a plus b equal to 22 because a equal to 20, b equal to 2, and a minus b equal to 18, a into b equal to 40, and a divided by b equal to 10 because when we divide 20 by 2, we will get a coefficient of 10, but a modulo of b equal to 0 because when we divide 20 by 2, we will get the remainder as 0. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.